Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing. Anyway, today is Sunday. You know Chef Ricardo always do his Sunday dinner, and today's Sunday dinner we're gonna do you some pineapple pork, which is gonna be in the oven. I'm gonna show you how to do it. There's a little bit tips and bits and pieces we're done to the pork. We already get it marinated a few days ago, so we will put the link below, or you can click on the link to take you how to marinate the pork. Look out for the recipe. Sunday dinner, half baked pork from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Lovely and nice. Basically, we already marinate the pork about 48 hours ago. This is the pork right here. This is the pineapple pork, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this one in the oven. So basically, what you need to do is simple. I will put the link below how to marinate the pork, because the pork already marinate. We're gonna take them out one like this and just lay them out in the oven tray. And I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. It's very nice recipe, guys. Pineapple pork from Chef Ricardo. New recipe, new ideas and stuff which you can do at home with the family, especially on a Sunday. And this is where it come in. Chef Ricardo Sunday dinner come in. It's just amazing recipe. So basically we will definitely put the link below how to do this pork. Really nice. Lovely. Basically all I'm going to do is simple. Just sprinkle a little bit of onion on top of it like this. Really nice. So basically that's the pork, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it straight inside of the oven, and you're gonna bake this for roughly one nice good 30 minutes inside of the oven. Then we're gonna make up a sauce, pour it on top of it, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the Chef Ricardo cooking show. And you know what I mean, every Sunday we're gonna do like a Sunday dinner. You know what I mean? So hopefully guys will just enjoy the ideas and tips and recipes. So this one is Sunday dinner pineapple pork oven bake. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel as I put it inside of the oven for 30 minutes. I'm gonna be using gas mark 9. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for you. Thank you so much, guys. Nice one. Well done, guys. I'm telling you, I just take the pork from the oven. That's the way it look. As you can see, really tender and nice. As you can see, this is a pork steak, and this is a pineapple pork oven bake, guys, for Sunday dinner. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of my secret, which I'm going to do to make it look really even better and nicer. Look at this now. So what you're going to do is this. Get that lovely sauce off the pork. That gravy off the pork. That's what I'm doing right now at the moment. Lovely. A little bit of oil, but that's fine. So what you're going to do is simple. Get this off in your bin. Nice one, because I'm not going to be using that. There's too much oil. So get a little bit of ketchup. To be honest, I have a little bit of my sweet chili sauce left, and all I'm going to do is just a little bit of sweet chili sauce, not too much. It's just pour inside of my thing like this. Lovely. Give it a nice lovely whisk like this. Nice one. So hold on first, guys, just to make you guys see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo on the team. Working very hard to find the proper recipe. Pineapple oven baked pork for Sunday dinner. Lovely. Then all you need to do, simple. Spread it on top of it like this. Give it a nice lovely flavor. Just gonna put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes or 7 more minutes, and I eat at the moment. So just pour all of this sauce on top of it like this. And just cook it down, guys. Really nice. As you can see. So I pour off some of those oil and pour this nice lovely sauce on top of it. As you can see, that looking lovely and nice. We're just gonna put back this in the oven for roughly about 7 minutes, the least. Just take it from the oven. Look at that, still cooking. Amazing recipe, guys. Hopefully you will love the recipe. And as I said, this one is the Sunday dinner pineapple home baked pork with sauce on top of it. Amazing recipe, guys. So enjoy it, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. I will definitely put the link below where you can see how to make and how to marinate the pork and put it down to soak. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.